Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your outdoor relaxation space, the BOSSIMA cushions for patio furniture. These cushions are renowned for their quality, comfort, and style, making them a standout choice in the world of outdoor seating. The BOSSIMA cushions are designed with both aesthetics and durability in mind. Available in a sleek sliver by light gray color scheme, they enhance any patio furniture with a modern touch. Crafted from resilient polyester fiber, these cushions are built to withstand outdoor conditions while maintaining comfort. Perfect for unpredictable weather, the cushions feature water-repellent fabric that keeps them dry and easy to maintain. The polyester fiber filling offers excellent pressure absorption, ensuring a soft and supportive seating experience. Ideal for various outdoor furniture setups including dining sets, rattan chairs, and more. These cushions aren't just about looks, they're about enhancing your outdoor living experience. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or simply enjoying a quiet evening on your patio, BOSSIMA cushions provide the comfort and style you need. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor seating with comfort and style, look no further than the BOSSIMA cushions for patio furniture. With their premium build, water-repellent features, and excellent customer feedback, they're truly the best choice for your outdoor space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations. Until next time, happy lounging outdoors with BOSSIMA.